There is always the need to play in crypto as a smart investor. When you look at what the big money managers are doing, you just need to understand the times and the season. For example, this week we saw that Brad Gerstner, he literally exited his Uber positions and he started buying Tesla. I mean, he's been buying Tesla when Ron Baron said earlier this year that Tesla had bottom around that 140s, right? When there is a disruptive technology, a lot of people don't tend to see it. Uber has been operating, which is fantastic, but there's a disruptive technology called Tesla that a lot of people are not seeing.
Robotaxis.
Number, yes. Number two, we've been talking about the financial system, maybe banks, but there is a new thing called crypto that is disruptive that a lot of people don't understand the impact yet. Think of the iPhone. We used to use Motorola. Look at Blockbuster. Now we use Netflix. We have a lot of examples like that. It's important to play in crypto. This is how we, the rich, make our money for us effortlessly. I'm not saying that there is no risks involved. This is where you learn. Reach out to Isaac, reach out to me. This is what we talk about literally every day, educating people on how to play this money game and also win. I'm very excited about 2024 and even leading into 2025. I'm hoping that a lot of people will just learn to play this money game because why? Once you understand how to play this game, it's just a beautiful sport. It's a beautiful sport because you can literally look at your money and your money is working so hard for you. I'm very excited about what the future brings. I'm very excited that we're going into a very bullish season. It's important to learn before you invest. And as always, may the market be in our favor.
Thank you so much. And don't forget to also subscribe to Blooming's channel. I'll put it down there. She talks a lot about crypto, about the stock market. She's wonderful. She's also an excellent coach. I learned so much from her. And as Blooming has already said, trade and invest wisely and may the markets be on your side. See you next week. Thank you and bye-bye for now.